Good evening. My name is Or Givol.
And I am Noah Burnton.
And we're from FlowGuard. And we believe that sleeping like a baby is a fundamental human right. Unfortunately, some people aren't that lucky. They suffer a condition called obstructive sleep apnea, abbreviated OSA. In this condition, during normal sleep, their upper airway, pharynx and larynx, collapse and they choke. This choking causes them to snore really loud and bother everybody around them, including their spouse who cannot get a good night's sleep. It causes a decrease in their blood oxygen content, which causes them to arouse from sleep to regain their upper airway open. But unfortunately, once they fall back to sleep, this vicious circle happens all over again. It happens several times an hour to several times every minute, causing them to have ineffective sleep and excessive daytime sleepiness. They're more fatigued, depressed, and have less ability to concentrate.
Drowsy drivers cause 6,400 motor vehicle deaths each year in the United States. OSA patients are 5 times more likely to die of cardiovascular diseases. Diseases such as heart attacks, stroke, high blood pressure, and atrial fibrillation. In the United States, there's 24 million people suffering from obstructive sleep apnea, and they need treatment.
Today, the first line and most effective treatment is continuous positive airway pressure, abbreviated CPAP. By introducing positive pressure, it prevents the airway from collapse, and there's no obstruction. So this is how we imagine we sleep with the CPAP. But this is how we actually sleep with the CPAP. Most people complain about headaches, skin irritations, strap marks in the morning when they wake up and want to go to work. And all of this in the case that the mask didn't already fell off their head and they wake up in the morning next to the mask when it's lying on their bed. The bottom line, 56% do not use their CPAP, which is the best and most effective solution for the problem, the obstructive sleep apnea. The total available market for CPAP mask alone is $1.7 billion. The service available market is 56% of that, because those of the patients who don't use the CPAP because of the mask issue is $950 million. Now, every CPAP and every mask fit. It doesn't matter what the manufacturer is for each one. So the service obtainable market is the same as service available market, because you have our mask, you can go to any CPAP device.
We are making a new comfortable CPAP mask in the form of a mouth guard. Our solution enables users to adhere to the most effective treatment. Because we introduce the pressure inside of the mouth, it can be at a lower pressure level and without any sensation on the face. No rashes, no leakages. The mouth guard will also be customized to the user's teeth, so it stays in place without the need of any straps on the head. It works for any standard CPAP. It is a mask accessory for CPAPs. We have prototyped working versions of this mask. And we actually have acquired the provisional patent. And we have the freedom to operate for our technology. In the United States, there is coverage for CPAP devices and accessories. The mask doesn't exist for inside the mouth, so we'll modify one of the codes in order to get coverage. We're expecting reimbursement of about $100 per mask.
Now we're talking about a Class 2 device because it is safe, but it sits inside the oral cavity. It will require a 510(k) de novo clearance pathway because there's no predicate. This is a novel and unique technology. We will conduct a clinical trial to check for safety as well as efficacy and various adherable and comfort issues. Now, we would like to partner with a major CPAP manufacturer because we believe that this mask should be the default one that comes with the CPAP machine. We want people to use this machine. But we can always become our own distributors through the regular pathways or through online shopping, which becomes more and more comfort and available today. Anyway, there's constant flow of revenue because every 6 to 12 months you need to change your CPAP mask as well as ours.
We have acquired the provisional patent, and now we're advancing the prototype stages. The next thing, we can go to clinical trials to get the approvals necessary to enter the market around 2024. This is our team. We're 2 engineers, 2 physicians, and 1 businesswoman. We appreciate everyone who has helped us get this far, and especially our stellar advisory board.
So we invite you to come talk to us and join us to help people who suffer obstructive sleep apnea get the good night's sleep they deserve.
Thank
Thank you.